Welcome to Talking Football with Dig. It's remember mo wale sandawana ya mona ojabulile all right out ya
ke monate kuru ka matla
ke a bona le smile mo sifahle o
ya no ke monate ke le bona Sundown too ya no re ba petsa gabotse
game ela tactically we bone jwa
eish ba tsaba fana ba re ke mang di boy man khoza yeah man ati malibong ati
sure
yeah but so far I'm happy I can't complain yeah changes were made Red Bull buile mokoena
sure so ke mang wa impress je
mamotla ke Red Bull le magape le Williams
yes goalkeeper
yeah even though the whatever ball back again
sure
then you'll find those mistakes
sure
but I'm happy with him and then in terms of the free kicks we still need to improve on that because we're conceding even though we didn't concede via free kick today
yes
but we must still do well on those positions
ke ukwishisha man so mara goalkeeper Lena Williams so consider the goals every match this season
whatever go khonagala ne I wish not personally I wish you could reka khwetsa another goalkeeper
yes
to compete with him
mara lena le J5 or 4
yeah I bona ke ntwa ya rotation le loreng by this coach
sure
sometimes there are certain games that you don't need to play him
sure
rest him and no bone ba bambali
sure
but Yana is too comfortable and he needs to pull up his socks now
sure
or else yeah no we will likely today we're able to come back
yes and score more goals
yeah even though referee nali jealous maro khono bo
so in terms of attack ya lena front three ya lena are you happy with it
front three I can't complain it's just that like I said the rotation wabona le Reina so bapala ile khale man Mutiba I'm happy that I didn't see him no love lost
okay
yeah it's just that Reina Slena he needs to get that game time no to basha mara ka Leon ke mnat
yes so korile brace today ba mo haneditse hat-trick goal ya high ba offside
and wabona ka Afrikaans ba re savers doors
sure
Naomile so sharp no
so ta ba le hanga yela or ka Saturday because you guys are trailing ka MTN 8 you must score more goals
MTN ke ya boa ke re
serious
re dile di phosho mona le mola we'll fix them we'll get it back
ke a kushisha
thank you
so much